Hello, thank you very much for watching another BS Games video. We are back playing an all-time favorite ng group. We are playing Ultimate Werewolf with 10 players. Yeah, tama na players. For tonight, we have the following. We have Kento. We have Bujin. Skiddo Levino. RBG. Noob Ambassador. JD. Kill Uncle. Shaper. We have returning player Yagirl. Yagirl's back. And we have Shintendo, new player, pero this is not her first time playing Ultimate Werewolf. In fact, spoiler alert, she actually won the first game as a werewolf. Anyway, so 10 players for your benefit, guys. Check the description below kung ano yung mga roles. Alam na ni Shintendo to, alam na lang the rest. Let's start the game. Guys, meet your match.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Okay. Everyone,
wake up.
Everyone wake up. Reminder lang, I will only announce kung may namatay kasi there's a possibility na either naprotektahan ni bodyguard yung in-attack or na-turn si cursed. And that's being said,
Shaper, you're welcome.
walang namatay sa first nights. That's all I'm gonna say.
You're welcome, Shaper.
I'll give you guys 3 minutes to discuss. Remember, guys, I'm not forcing you yet, pero yung gunner tsaka pacifist, if you want to use your ability, private message to me. Anyway, 3 minutes starting now. Good luck.
I mean, we are forcing to vote someone out. Because like the Sasquatch will be angry for the pacifists will use their ability.
So
No one died, so it means someone was converted or the bodyguard successfully protected someone.
What do you mean someone's converted?
You know, the curse.
Cursed.
Is that what I do? Okay.
Oh, is that why you're saying you're welcome to Shaper? You bit Shaper,
Ooh,
and then now
it's
it's
like-
probably a
You're
werewolf.
putting him on the dark side.
Join the club.
You can vote me out if you want. It's fine. Because I'm just
Two
a
lives.
But sayang lang yung role ko. Hindi ko pa nagagamit yun na...
Oh, sige na. Let's nominate him.
Wala
I
akong
nominate
napatay.
Kirankel.
One for Kalanto.
Kilanko, goodbye.
Okay.
Sayang daw eh, sayang.
Sayang! Teka.
You're
It's,
nominating Kalanto, sorry. I don't know if you're just...
Kung pacifist siya gagamitin na
Not a bad role. That
Kilanko.
pacifist, if you don't trust me, pacifist, use your ability on me.
Please.
Wow.
If you don't trust me, use your
Okay,
ability
noted.
on me. If you don't trust me, parang
You
mali.
don't trust me. But to build that trust, pero sayang lang. Really a good role. It's a good person role.
Wait.
It's a privilege role. Sayang lang.
Actually, the pacifists should really use their role because more often than not, we're going to hit an innocent villager
That's right.
Yeah.
and you might get
Pass.
killed.
Cassie.
I'm getting werewolf vibes from
I mean, it's like 66%.
From
I mean,
Skiddo.
32%.
some reason.
It's a we're
What
just,
did I do?
Alright, wait lang.
God.
The daytime is over.
What?
I
Oh.
got a message from the pacifist. Kagaya sinabi ko, I will not announce kung sino si pacifist. Pero the pacifist wanted me to reveal the role of, well, you got your wish, Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, guys,
Kinuha ng werewolf.
is
A werewolf.
a werewolf.
Kill Uncle,
Go back to sleep.
Bye.
Automatic nighttime na agad. Everyone,
Kill Uncle, goodbye.
Otto na.
Bodyguard, protect me.
bodyguard protect me. Sorry, tawa ka na. Everyone, go back to sleep.
Everyone, close your eyes.
Everyone, wake up.
Everyone,
Wake up.
wake up.
All right. So, first order of business. Yes, the priest who is RBG threw holy water on Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, you are dead.
First blood.
Goodbye, werewolf, kill Uncle.
Bye.
All right. Now,
And it's all up to you.
I have to
Bye.
announce na meron ding isa pang casualty kagabi. And that person, at least, I guess, before dying, kill Uncle, killed
Oh no.
Shintendo. Shintendo.
Ay, grabe talaga.
Si Nintendo!
Shintendo, remember this feeling. Remember this feeling. Anyway,
Remember
Diba?
and carry it with you
Whenever
every
you
day.
do it,
let it grow.
Never
Plant it.
forget.
Turn
Every
on the
time you
camera,
play here,
Shintendo.
Every time you
remember.
play.
Unang
I will
kailan the
remember
rest of
it.
the game, Nintendo guys was
Shame.
a pacifist. So it's kind of
Oh my god, thank you, girl.
yes,
Thank you.
Nintendo was the pacifist. Well, tenured na kayo
Mas
lahat. Make
nagamit.
it 2.5 minutes. Sige, 2.5 minutes starting now.
the shade. Oh
Oh
God.
my god.
You're throwing
Oh,
shade
Seer.
at
Dalawa na yung na-check mo, Seer.
Wait, at the same time, there might have been a converted one nung first night, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero mas maganda, may advantage na tayo eh. So,
Yeah. Like last game, baka masayangan
Poprotektahan
din yung
naman ni
Seer.
Yep.
Might as well say the ano.
Pero siguro,
Saka may gunner tayo, may gunner.
pero siguro,
Dalawa bullets.
Yeah, the gunner
Kento.
has the power.
I take
Go,
also
Seer.
I also take the statement of Kill Uncle kanina about Shaper. I'm thinking siya kay Shaper, di ba? So, there's
This
a
is Seer
chance
na muna. Seer na muna magsalita.
Yeah, Mr. Senpai, the floor is yours.
JD,
Seer?
Mute
ano
ka.
alam mo, JD?
Seer.
Wow, the seer's not talking.
Ma'am Seer.
blackmail yung fear.
Oh my gosh. Ayaw magsalita.
Uh-oh.
Well, the bodyguard is still alive, right?
Yeah, and we have a gunner.
Yeah, and we have a gunner.
Oh my
Tapos si
God.
RBG pacifist na.
And
So-
we have priest ako,
Priest.
because the SAS,
Are we
SAS
just-
Okay,
squash is
okay.
still alive.
Priest ako.
The only
So I
ones
can
I
ask-
checked already died.
Oh
So,
Both?
the two I checked already died. I mean, wala na si Kill Uncle at wala na si Shintendo.
Wow, very convenient, yeah, girl. Very convenient.
Dapat di mo na sinabi yun. I was about to say, kung wala pa nagsasalta, baka chinek niya yung mga namatay na. Anyway,
You pressured
Oh.
me!
Wala nang bang magka-claim na seer sila?
Game gunner.
ako, Seer ako,
20%.
pero may baril ako.
20% chance.
Oh, wait. Sorry, RBG, you were saying you were the priest, right? Obviously. Yeah, I believe you. See? Nobody else believed you except
It's fact. Sabi
My
nga ni
God.
Shaper. How are
Senpai,
you,
come
Shaper?
on. Senpai's giving me sauce vibes.
Shaper? What's your
Yeah.
thought? What are your thoughts on this?
Have you find it
Wondering
funny?
why no one else is talking.
Well, guys, people will be talking now kasi it's been 2.5 minutes. Daan kayo numerically if you guys want to nominate anyone. Sorry, if you guys were talking kanina about nominations, I wasn't paying attention. So, daan kayo isa-isa. Kento, may na-nominate ka?
I nominate Shaper.
Bujin, may na-nominate ka?
Yes, I can nominate Kento kasi hindi niyo na ako mababawian.
Okay. Yeager, may na-nominate ka?
Wala.
Skiddo.
I'm gonna nominate. Wait, what's the tally?
One for Kento, one for Shaper.
One Kento, one Shaper. I'm gonna choose Kento.
Okay, two for Kento, one for Shaper. RBG, may na-nominate ka?
Shaper.
Two for Shaper, two for Kento. New ambassador?
JD.
Alright, JD, may na-nominate ka?
Wala.
Wala. Sige. Nag-mid ka pa talaga. No? Anyway, so, Shaper, may na-nominate ka?
No, it's all good.
Okay. Alright, so the people with at least 2 nominations, isa lang kay JD, dalawa kay Kento, dalawa kay Shaper. I'll start with Kento kasi una siya nagka 2 nominations, I think. So, yeah, Kento, 30 seconds ko.
I'll take this time to explain. Siguro I'll take my intuition na lang about Shaper. Kasi kay Kill Uncle about the connection a while ago in the first round. Siguro that make a hint na magka-compare sila kanina. So that's all.
All right, I guess that's it. Shaper, 30 seconds, go.
Wow, just because I'm I'm associated with the Kill Uncle in real life, I get accused. That is so that it's what do you call that? Real life bias. That is it's Kento, must be Kento then with that totally unfounded accusation.
Okay, I guess that's it. Well, FYI, I did not get a message from the gunner, so we go to the votes now. 2, 4, 6, 8 people left, 4 votes to kill unless may magtay. I'll start with Kento. Raise your hands. Who wants to vote out Kento? Going once, going twice, going 3 times. That's 4. Let's see. Technically, hindi na to magtatay kasi you cannot vote for yourself.
You can?
No, you cannot vote for yourself. Kento, you're dead. Please turn off your camera. I can announce that during the time that Kento died, Kento was a villager. So I'm not gonna announce kung Sasquatch siya or cursed. But the time that he died, Kento was a villager. Everyone go back to sleep.
Everyone, close your eyes.
That is it. Everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
All right. Team Werewolf. Could be 1, could be 2. They were able to kill someone. Team Werewolf were able to kill someone last night. You are dead. Please turn off your camera. Yeah, girl. The girl is dead. Yeah, dead. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl was Yasir. Wala na kayong seer. 2 minutes starting now.
Not good. Not good. Not good.
So, okay, if the villager died as a villager na, they're not gonna be converted, right? Either way.
Well,
Kasi
dead
lynching
people
siya
are
eh.
dead.
I mean-
so dead players are dead.
Lynching siya.
I mean, but the first night was questionable because like if Kento could be a Sasquatch, or he could be a curse. But the first night, no one died. That's the thing.
Yeah, but Sandman said na he died as a villager, so he wasn't converted at all. So he
But
could have been
be a Sasquatch.
a Sasquatch, yeah.
Or he
But-
could be a curse.
But he's gone now, so
Yeah.
no sense in looking.
So we have to vote someone just to be safe.
Suggestion ko, role
Or we can
reveal na lang tayo.
Sige.
I'm the villager na hindi pa nata-turn.
So kung
Grabe,
binaril ka
Gunner,
ngayon ng
pakibaril.
gunner,
Kaya si NA,
kung binaril ka ng gunner ngayon, Bujin, magiging
There's
curse
a
ka.
gunner though. There's a gunner.
hindi. No. Sige,
Homicide.
bahala kayo. Nagbigay ako ng tip sa werewolf. Pag pinatay niya ako mamayang gabi, werewolf na rin ako. So,
Patayin ka
ayun,
na namin
gunner.
ngayon before ka.
Wag.
Di ba? I mean like, why would you reveal as a
look
villager?
for the werewolf?
So,
Talaga.
Gunner, mamili ka, Skiddo, NA, Shaper, or JD.
Or
Isa sa
Bujin.
inyo, Gunner. At least may mapapatay kang either fool or
The
Werewolf.
gunner,
Yeah.
bodyguard na hindi ginawa yung trabaho niya kanina. So yun, okay lang.
apparently, the gunner is drunk. And the gunner will use a number generator.
Hoy, NA, wag number generator!
What if the gunner selects himself or herself? I'll honor that. I'll honor that.
Nagpakamatay!
I'll honor that.
Nagpakamatay.
Hindi naman.
All right, wait, guys. It's been more than 2 minutes. But before we go for nominations, The gunner did use his bullets, one of his 2 bullets. The gunner shot and killed. No, just kidding. Skiddo Levino.
What?
Oh man!
Skiddo is dead.
Who was
Turn
it?
off your camera. The gunner killed the fool.
Okay.
All right. So I have to ask for nomination. I'll keep my camera on. 2, 4, 5. 5 players left. Kanina sound yan. Anyway, 2, 4, 5. 5 players. 5 players left. Numerically na lang, Bujin. Would you like to nominate? If you want to, who would you nominate?
RBG, kunin na natin to. I nominate Shaper.
One for Shaper.
Agree.
RBG.
Shaper din.
Shaper din daw. Did I not reveal Noob Ambassador? Noob Ambassador is the gunner.
Hey, wait! Yeah, you did? Okay.
Noob Ambassador is the gunner. Noob
I
Ambassador.
used the silencer. Diba?
Oh yeah. Sige, Noob Ambassador used the silencer. Noob Ambassador is the gunner
Yes.
who used the silencer. Okay. So they don't know. They
No
don't.
one noticed.
Noob Ambassador, who would you like to nominate if you want to?
Wait, there's 2 on Shaper now.
There's 2 on Shaper. now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's let them pit against each other. JD. Sorry.
Okay. Well, JD, you cannot nominate yourself. Are you who are nominating? You can still change the Shaper. Tatlo kay Shaper. Shaper, would you like to nominate anyone?
Well, JD then.
Okay.
I'm the only one on the chopping block.
Okay, so the 2 people on the chopping block are Shaper and JD. I'll start with Shaper since 3 nominations siya. Shaper, 30 seconds, go.
Must be JD then. Because he's been quiet the whole game, all throughout, and has kept himself muted. I was wondering why. Must be it. I mean, seems kind of obvious.
All right, I guess that's it. JD, 30 seconds, go.
Okay. I am the bodyguard. Bullshit! First night, I protected Nintendo. So I get it why Kill Uncle is the world. But the second night, I protected myself. Third night, I protected RBG. I thought that the werewolf will go on anyone else instead of the girl because they would think that I will protect.
All right, that's 30 seconds. So, 5 na lang kayo, 3 votes to kill. If no one gets 3 votes, wala mamatay. You can opt to abstain. I'll start with Shaper. Show of hands, who wants to vote out Shaper? Going once, going twice, going. That's it. Shaper, you are dead. Please turn on your camera.
What?
Mukhang mag-abstain yata si Bujin na. Anyway, parang nabatim siya. Yes, Shaper was the other werewolf. Good job. Bujin is still one. The villagers won. Bujin was the other werewolf. Bujin was actually the Sasquatch. Kento was the cursed. Yes, tamang-tama yung pinento ni JD. Siya kaya bodyguard yun talaga yung pinatagtahan niya. And then everyone, you guys revealed it. And hindi na-convert, walang conversion sa first night. Kill Uncle really did went for Nintendo the first night. Pero, and then she went for her again. So, anyway. You would think you would change that, no? Pero, yeah, anyway.
Wala, legacy na yan.
I would
Alam ko.
like to
Remember that.
I would like to formally
Remember
welcome
that.
Nintendo to DX Games.
Lala, pinatay ka na niya.
That was tough. My co-werewolf was Kill Uncle.
Oh, hi.
He threw you under the bus right at the beginning.
So-
Imagine that.
Akala ko innocent si Kill Uncle na para ma-clean yung name niya. Tapos ako para, oh shit! Sorry. Ayun.
An old werewolf never changes.
The one and last time you'll trust him. Charot.
Sige. Well, yeah, Nintendo, you got to reveal Kill Uncle, pero he got to kill you too. Pero, yeah, you would have died the first night if it wasn't for JD.
Thank you.
Pero, yeah, people would have still known it was Kill Uncle. So, in a way, that's like a positive move pa rin naman. The 2 werewolves. For now, ngayon ko lang sasabihin to na 2 ang werewolves. 2 werewolves wake up, 1 and yes, for the game, kayong 2 ang werewolves. Sino ang gusto nyong patayin? Pick a player. Has to be the same person. Go back to sleep. Alright, now let me wake up after the werewolves. Wala tayong minion. I have to wake up yes, here, wake up. Alright, see here. Pick a player. I'll let you know. This person. Go back to sleep, see here. Bodyguard, wake up. Bodyguard. Alright, sino ang gusto mong protektahan? Protektahan mo to. Noted. Go back to sleep. Bodyguard. After the bodyguard, priest, wake up. Alright, priest, would you like to use the holy water? If yes, give it a word. No. Anyway, sige, let me wrap this game up muna kasi nandito si Sheka. We could make it, maybe for some, we could, for those who said that they have to go maybe one last game with Sheka. Anyway, guys, let me wrap this game up. That was Ultimate Werewolf. The village won this time. They were able to catch 2 werewolves, still uncle. Good job. Kenta Boots, Nintendo, your girl. Not Skiddo. Skiddo lost us. RBG, the ambassador, and Jay. Guys, if you like this video, click on the like button, hit subscribe, hit subscriber, and the notification button. I'll update you every time we upload these types of games. And if you'd like to join our games, send us a message. We'll definitely invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.